in India, there was a barter system. Because it was not working. Not working in the sense, it was difficult for people to जूता दे, मैं grains देता हूँ, मैं चावल देता हूँ, तू टोपी दे, and all this टोपी एक दूसरे को पहनना बहुत मुश्किल था. तो ये एक currency निकाला है, something called currency. Currency comes from the word current. It has to flow. If you want it to multiply, it has to. तो जितना आपका turnover होएगा, उतना आपका wealth बढ़ेगा. So let it come and let it go. So when it comes, you invest it somewhere, let it roll, invest it in a team, invest it in OTM, buy this one, on property, on other things. दुनिया भर के investment करो, but let it move. Don't stagnate. Stagnant water starts stinking. Flowing water is always fresh. So history of taxes means, what I am saying is, don't start hoarding money. Start expending the money. Use it. Continuously put it in some use. If you understand the history of taxes, पहले taxes थे ही नहीं. अभी, even when I was in business, it was 60% tax. This, jokingly, I would tell my brother, ऐसे मजा में, let it be. Yeah, if 60, that time I would tell. Honestly, I would tell jokingly, but laughingly, but sincerely. If we were also doing, black and white, all this, we were, पहले तो हमारे पास understanding ही था black and white क्या है. Really no understanding. We had किसी को check, किसी को cash चाहिए, no problem. We were in a retail line, so every day we used to get cash. तो कैश को क्या करना है, या तो मैं रखता था कवर्ड में, या तो डिपॉजिट करता है. जिसको चेक चाहिए डिपॉजिट करके दे दो, जिसको कैश चाहिए नो प्रॉब्लम, कैश तो है ले लो. तो मेरे को आइडिया नहीं, till we got the income tax rate. That day I woke up. I was in teachers training, by the way. That time I was training. Then we changed into private limited. Then we changed into all pakka everything, and I started understanding what is this black and white. But earlier, that time मजाक में मैं बोलता था, if 60%, if at all any time comes, if it becomes 30%, I promise, I'm telling him, I promise I will give 100%. Purely white I will give 30%. Today it is actually 30%. So give it. Don't worry about the government. You don't want to give, that's your problem. But it is not that. If you start, I'm not saying overnight you can change also because of your previous history. But if you intend in the next 2-3 years, I'm going to shift over, then you will start shifting. Then you can be a Godrej, a Tata, because the more white you show, the more capital, the more clarity. जो आपका स्टॉक्स है वो टैली होना चाहिए, जो आपका किताब है और वो स्टॉक्स है एकदम टैली होएगा तो आपका डिसीजन उसके ऊपर होएगा. अभी टैली ही नहीं है, किताब में कुछ और दिखा रहे हो, इधर कुछ और दिखा रहे हो. All your energy is going there. All your energy prior to my private limited company was going. I had Zeds, Montaltos, Luciano, Trash, and Amethyst. और एक और मैं भूल गया, 6 कंपनी, because 30 lakhs you have to go on, 40 lakhs इसके में, फिर suddenly बिल इसमें दिया, उसमें दिया, दुनिया भर के बिल लिया हम लोग ने. Okay, all my energy is going to manipulate that. When it shifted, it is only one point energy, one energy. How to create, how to generate income. So make your life, take these decisions today. You don't have to tell me, but start shifting, moving on. Hey, now next year, vision book mein likho, this. Make everything white. I would say 90%, the balance 10%, keep it as good luck till the world changes. Okay, don't do it like that. So that one-to-one training I'll give you. But your intention is to move into